Hello there, Mike.
Hi, Tom. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm looking at this map and I'm seeing two red markers and a green marker. Can you kind of tell me what that's all about?
Sure, yes. The red markers on the map mark out locations of the jobs that are on the job board. So we have a marker for each of these two jobs, number 7 and number 8. The green marker marks where your person, the tech in that area is, and that tech is Mark Wilson.
Now, Mark Wilson, that's where his address where he lives, right?
Correct, yes.
And so is that going to help me just kind of know, like, I'm going to have more than one tech. In this example, we're showing one tech and we're only showing two jobs on the board. But I could, if there was a green marker down below the red ones, right in that area, it'd be better in the morning at least to send them from that job. Is that a fair assessment? To send
Yes,
them from that address, yeah.
it is. I mean, obviously, you've got the knowledge about those techs. You know if they're the right people for that job. But within that, yes, if you've got someone, that side of the city, send somebody that side of the city, and this can help you.
When you assign a tech one of the jobs on the board, will that green marker go to that job when he's there?
No, the green marker is telling you the address of that tech.
The home address of the tech, but during the course of the day, as I move that tech around a job, it's not going to show on the map in its current form where that tech is at.
And not in the current form of the system, it isn't.
That's fine.
No.
That's fine. All right. One other question, and we'll in this on the mapping. Let's say I had two locations. One of my offices is, in the Colorado area, and I'm servicing work, and that's why I'm seeing the red markers and the green markers. But let's go crazy. Let's say I have work in Rhode Island. Can I, on this map, see my work in Rhode Island and my work in Colorado at the same time?
Yeah, sure. And if you try just scrolling using this, the map will tell you what to do. It'll tell you use control and scroll. So if I press the control button now, rather than moving the page up and down, oops, too far, there you go. So I can see that I have jobs going on over here in Rhode Island, and I have jobs going on over here in Colorado.
And of course, if I had, a location in a city 50 miles away, we're not going to have these jobs going clear across the US. But this is an extreme example. Really, anybody that has multiple locations, managing multiple techs across the US, I guess you could do it across the world if you had work in England there too. But you can see it on the same map. Is that correct?
Yeah, you can. And if the map isn't large enough for you there, then if you click on this square here, it will take over the whole screen. So yes, no reason why it shouldn't be happening in little old UK over here or Canada or anywhere else you want. And then when you've finished, you just pop it back by clicking that button and the map's back where it was. And you can scroll all the way back in
To any of your locations.
to downtown Denver.
All right. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, Tom.